Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Sorry, I had to step over pink. Today I'm going to do a pour. I'm going to do like a little series, I guess, to try to see comparison. Last time I did flip cups, one with a straight layered cup and then one with a dirty pour. Today I'm going to do ring pours, one with a layered and one with a dirty pour. See the difference that we get in there. I'm going to use some pretty fun colors. The colors that I'm going to use are Decoart's Metallic Amethyst, Arteza's Pearl Hot Pink, SoHo's Perusian Blue, and this blue I'm going to use, it's got a mixture of Arteza's Pearl Electric Blue and Blinkrylic's Phaloto Blue. I'm using Decoart's 24 karat gold, and then Rust-Oleum's Metallic, let's see, Glacier Blue. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's such a pretty color. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm going to do that, and let's see, I'm going to try to figure out here, 14 by 14 divided by 28. Okay, so I need about 7 ounces for each of these two canvases. And so with this one, like I said, I'm going to do layers, and then this one I'll do a dirty pour.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me, but who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. No, I never meant to hurt you. No, I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with myself.
You can see how pretty that cup is. Oh my gosh. All right. Go. If you guys have any ideas of anything else you'd like to see, like comparison, I think I did have a request to do dustpans, so I'm going to do dustpans next. But it's just kind of fun to see the little bit difference in how you layer your cup, the difference you get in your results. So I'm just going to slide this one out of the way just a smidge. All right, then I'm just going to kind of slowly go around here. kind of looks like a rose in the middle. You can see it? Be cool if that stayed like that, but I doubt if it will. So pretty. I just love the way you get the line definition in these. I just think it's so beautiful. You need to come off here a little bit. Oh no, I tripped on here. Gosh darn it. Just get that one out the way just a smidge. These colors are beautiful together. I love how I got the line definition. I call them bands. This type of pour, ring pour, straight pour, when you get these bands like this, it reminds me of geodes. So I'm excited because I am going to bling these out after they're dry. So it'll be another video though, where I do the embellishment on them, but they're beautiful. one here, I lost my rose because it looked like a rose for a while, but it definitely doesn't now. But, and look, it's kind of cool because they almost like go together. Look at how the band like almost goes perfectly. How cool is that? These will be beautiful together, even though they're two different pours. But I'm going to bring it down for a close-up so you can see really how pretty it is. All right, so look, this one here has got a lot more gold in the middle, but just look at those bands. They're so beautiful. And then those metallic colors, look at that purple, that amethyst. It's so pretty. And that berry. Those bands are just beautiful. I can't wait to bling it out. I'm definitely going to put something in here in the middle to kind of break this off a little bit. It's just a little too big of a gold chunk, but, and then look at this one. But look how the lines, like literally, almost, they're not exactly, but they're very close. Like they go together. So cool. And look at that. Beautiful lines. And see that shimmer? Shimmer, shimmer? Like Jade says, my granddaughter. And this is really cool. Look how funky that is, how that shape went. Very cool. Very, very cool. I cannot wait to embellish these two together. It's going to be beautiful. But like I said, that will be in another video after this one. Probably, if I can get it right, I'll post this one maybe like on a Sunday or a Wednesday, and then maybe like a day or two afterwards, I'll post the blinged one. So then you can see them embellished, but beautiful, beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and come back again, I hope, and subscribe. Help my channel grow. It's free to you. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me tremendously. Almost to 1,000. Well, not quite almost, but getting there. And I do appreciate you guys so much. Miss Pink is down here waiting for me to get done. I do appreciate you guys so much. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And if you have any suggestions or want to see a comparison of a different type of pour, let me know, and I will definitely do it. Because like I said, I'm going to do a dustpan next. That'll be my next one. Just kind of see what we get out of doing those. So I'm really excited about that. But if you got any suggestions or ideas, let me know. And or even if you want to see certain colors with a certain comparison, I can definitely do that. But I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody is healthy and safe. I think I already said that, but just be safe from COVID and healthy in general. And I appreciate you guys so much. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.